الحمد لله العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Now we're talking about arithmetic progression, which is the short form of AP. So we are going to find the 10th term and the sum of the first 10 term in the sequence below. We have 10, 8, 6 and 7. So there are two ways of doing this. To find the 10th term, we are just try and do it manually. Doing it manually, so we have 10. So the difference between the two is just minus 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth term. This is the sum of the first term. So then we have the next one is what? 2. Then will be 0. Then will be minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. This is the fourth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the last one, minus 8. So this is the fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term. So we can do this manually like that. So we want to find the sum of the first 10 terms. We are just going to sum up everything together. But if you want to do it in a fast way, so we just use the formula of the sum of the nth is equal to a plus into bracket open n minus 1 d. So what's our tn? That's what the sum of what of the nth term, the total of what nth term. So this one is what? This is the first term. This one is what? Is the nth term. But this one is what? Is the difference. So we are looking for the 10th term. So we are looking for T10. Which was our first term, that's 10, plus what's our n, the 10th we are looking for, so that will be 10 minus 1. What's our the difference? To get the difference, I'm going to just minus this from this, or this from this, or this from this, n1. So we have to have this. So we say 8 minus 10, that will give us, we have 8 naira, we are owing 10 naira. So if you have to pay your debt, how much debt does it remain? So it remains 2 naira. So that's what? Minus 2. So if we use 6 minus 8, so we have to get the same thing to minus 2. So that will be minus 2. So let's solve this. So that's 10 plus, so this one will be 9 times what? Minus 2. So that will be what? 10 plus minus 2 times 9, that's minus 18. So that will be 10 minus 18, that's plus times minus will give us minus. So you have 10 naira and you are owing 18 naira. So you have to pay the remaining 8 naira debt. So that's minus 8. That's our 10th term. So exactly what we got here, the 10th term here. So we got to find, so that's about 10 terms of this sequence. So we want to solve the what? We want to solve the sum of the first 10 terms. So we want to solve all this together. You can do this manually by summing up everything, or you can do it like this. So the formula to use to solve the sum of any term, it will be, that will be x. I think that's x. xn equals to n over 2 into bracket a plus the total of the nth term. And we know that our total of the nth term here means this formula here, so we can just substitute it here. N minus 2 into bracket a plus, so we are substituting this into this. That's a plus n minus 1 d. So we will not use this LBCs because we are looking for the sum of the first 10 terms, and we are already given this, so we don't need of solving this, so we can just use this only. So but if we are in an equation that you are not to solve the 10th term and you are told to find the sum of the first 10, so we are just going to use this formula. So this will just be a 2 over n 2a plus n minus 1 d bracket close. But we have to use this because we are in our question. We already know the total 10th term. So what's our sum is? Okay, this is the sum of the nth term, the total sum of the nth term, the total sum of the first nth term. These are nth term, these are first term, these are our total of the nth term. So we are looking for the first 10. So what's our n? So that will be 10 all over 2. What's our first term? That's 10 plus what? What's our total of the nth term? That's minus 8. So that will be, if we have to divide this will give us 5. So 5 into bracket 10 minus 8. So plus times minus will give us minus. So our 5 will be what? It's bracket 2. So total sum of what? 10 times will be what? 5 times 2. That will be what? 10. So that's our answer. Subhanallah, bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.